The question is, can I transfer ownership of a Google Doc to another Google user if I'm using free Gmail instead of business Google Workspace? All right, so I'm in my free Gmail, burrisconsulting@gmail.com. Got a document right here called bullet testing. If I click on that document right there, just select it. I can actually double click and open it up if I want to. Then I can go up here to the share button. You can see it's locked, private only to me. But I'm gonna give someone else access. I'm gonna give Teddy Burris at gmail.com access. I'm gonna make him an editor. Dude, you are an editor now. Now I wonder, nope, I can only make him an editor first. That's the very first step. Make him an editor, hit send. Now I go to his Gmail account. Give me a second while I switch over there. All right, I'm in Teddy Burris at Gmail right here. Teddy Burris at gmail.com. Share with me. There it is, bullet testing. If I open that up and look at it, I can see that I have full editing capability. Got all the tools right here. But you can see under share that I am just the editor. Now, can I request ownership? No, I cannot request ownership. But watch this. I'll go back to the owner, who is burrisconsulting@gmail.com. Give me a second to switch back. Now I can see, I'm looking at the document. Again, I'm in here as burrisconsulting@gmail. I can see that Teddy Burris is looking at it. So am I. Look here under the share. I can go to right share, Teddy Burris. I can transfer ownership between two gmail.com accounts. Transfer ownership. I'll retain ownership until he accepts it. Send invite. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to close this down. I'm going to go back to look at it as teddyburris.com. Excuse me, teddyburris@gmail.com. Here it is right here. Again, I'm in as teddyburris@gmail.com. And I can see here's the document. And I can see under share right there, accept ownership. I can click and accept ownership. Boom. The current owner has invited you to own the document. This item will take up 2 kilobytes, accept. Now, you can see that I am now the owner, and Burris Consulting at Gmail is an editor. Let me go back and look and see what they have. I'm looking at it from the original source, Burris Consulting at Gmail. And if I go look at the document now, under share, you can see that Teddy Burris at Gmail is the owner. And because I did own it, I had full editor permissions. Now I have full editor permissions. Furthermore, note this. Let me go look at it as Teddy Burris at Gmail. Again, I'm back to Teddy Burris at Gmail. I click under share. He is the owner. Look at this. I can remove access or give it back to him. So just be aware of the fact once you transfer ownership, you could very well lose access. I'm Teddy, your Gmail and Google Workspace guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.